viewers, again welcome. Today we are going to explore something new, something beautiful idea for everyone who wants to create something. And the beautiful ideas, how mindfulness related to this, and beautiful ideas for everyone who wants to create something with their homes new and amazing. So in this video, stay tuned with us. Watch till the end. Today we are talking about table centerpiece and handmade decorations, the little touches that transform any space from ordinary to extraordinary. Decorating your table or creating a centerpiece isn't just about looks, it's about expression, mindfulness, and even well being. Let's explore beautiful decoration ideas and the amazing benefits they bring to our homes and lives. The table is the heart of the home, is where families gather, meals are shared, and memories are made. A centerpiece adds warmth. It makes the table feel welcoming. Beauty. A simple craft can brighten the whole room. Personality. Your choice of materials reflects your style. It's not about spending a lot of money. With simple handmade decorations, you can make your table look like it's ready for a celebration every day. Here are some creative centerpiece and table decoration ideas you can try. Burlap and jute runners. Lay a rustic burlap runner across the table for a natural farmhouse look and lace trim for elegance. Mason jars centerpiece. Fill jars with flowers, candles, and fairy lights for a cozy touch. Wrap with twine for extra charm. Paper roll candle holder, you can add on it. Recycle paper rolls into painted or glitter candle stands. Eco-friendly and stunning. Autumn pine cones, dried leaves, and small pumpkins. Winter. Evergreen branches, white candles, and ornaments. Springs. Fresh flowers in recycled vases. Summer. Seashells and jars, sand jars, and bright colors. Burlap flowers, banquet, bouquet, handcrafted flowers arrangement in a vase as a lasting rustic centerpiece. Table tray display. Use a wooden tray with candles, small potted plants, and decorative stones. Each decorations bring not just beauty but also a sense of mindfulness when you make and arrange it. So, what are the benefits of creating and using handmade table decoration? Mindfulness and relaxation, eco-friendly, budget-friendly, creativity boost. Crafting helps you focus, calm your mind, and enjoy the moment. Material reduces waste and respects nature. Handmade decor saves money compared to store-bought pieces. Designing centerpiece lets your imagination flow. A decorated table encourages family and friends to gather, talk, and bond. Confidence. When guests admire your creation, it boosts your pride and self-esteem. They create an atmosphere of joy, calmness, and beauty. Decoration are not just objects. Mindfulness and crafting. When you sit down to design a centerpiece of or fold napkins, creatively you enter mindful state. You notice the colors and textures. You slow down, breathe deeply, and let go of stress. You take pleasure in simple acts, tying a ribbon, arranging flowers, or placing candles. These mindful moments are small but powerful. They transform your table into more than a piece of furniture. It becomes a center of peace and creativity. So, whether you are preparing for a family dinner, a festive celebration, or simple making your space feel cozy, remember your handmade decoration and centerpiece bring benefits far beyond beauty. The nature your mindfulness. They nurture your mindfulness, creativity, and well being while also spreading warmth to everyone who sits at your table. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative journeys. Until next time, keep crafting, keep decorating, and keep shining. Thank you for commenting. Stay tuned with us. Join us on comment section, and we will definitely try to upload what you want to watch. Thank you for joining me today. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. We are trying to bring the best and amazing part for everyone who wants to create something new. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, and prosperity. Keep shining, keep smiling. Viewers, again welcome. Today we are going to explore something new, something beautiful idea for everyone who wants to create something.